New Zealand becomes latest country to confirm Delta outbreak. COVID-19 cases in New Zealand have now grown to 21 as authorities find links to the origin of the outbreak. Ia De Vera will give us the details live. Yes, Ia, good evening.
Good evening, Marielle. New Zealand's first case in 6 months was found to be linked to a traveler from Sydney who was under the hotel quarantine early this month. Authorities are now establishing when and how the Delta variant entered the country. Here's what New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern said in her COVID-19 update.
It means now we can be fairly certain how and when the virus entered the country, and that based on timelines, there are minimal, possibly only one or maybe two missing links between this returnee and cases in our current outbreak. And the period in which cases were in the community is relatively short.
New Zealand will be under the strictest lockdown conditions at alert level 4 for at least 3 days, while the city of Auckland, where the first case was discovered, and the Coromandel Peninsula will be in lockdown for 7 days. Epidemiologist at the University of Otago, Wellington, Amanda Kowalsvig, said the nationwide lockdown is highly effective as it stops both known and unknown transmission chains. Furthermore, Ardern said that while the Delta is more dangerous, going hard and early like New Zealand did with last year's outbreaks can also be applied this time around. Marielle?
Yeah, can you tell us the details of New Zealand's lockdown restrictions?
Yes, Marielle, under the country's highest lockdown level, schools and businesses will be closed, including restaurants, takeaways, and as well as food delivery services. Residents are only allowed to leave their homes for groceries, for necessary health care, for exercise with someone from their household, and to get a COVID test. Marielle, all public areas are restricted and public gatherings are not allowed. Only essential workers or those in an alert level 4 service and cannot work from home are allowed to leave home. Back to you, Marielle.
All right, Ia De Vera, thank you for that live report.